Hi there and welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. As you can see, the place is a bit of a mess here today, and I have 4 people coming here in a few days for a gum over platinum workshop. And we're gonna have a lot of fun during that workshop, and I'm gonna even bring parts of it to you. But for now, I gotta clean this place up. So I figured I'd have a little bit of fun, and in my content creating state, I figured I'd have a little bit of fun making a time-lapse video of this place getting cleaned up, and if it works out well enough, I just might share it with you, okay? So let's get to it. Exhausted after all of that, but as you can see, I got the place cleaned up and ready to go. Got a workshop starting in 2 days. Got 4 people coming here from around the country. I'm going to be teaching them the gum over platinum process, and I'm going to be doing some video during that workshop, so I hope you'll stay tuned and see what I get up to. And I'd like to thank you very much for watching. This is what I go through to get ready for my workshops all the time. I work out of the studio, so it tends to get messy, and I tend to live in my own mess a lot easier than other people do, so I have to clean it up every time, and normally it doesn't get this bad. It's been 2 years since I've had a workshop in here, and I'm really looking forward to this, and I'm going to try to keep it much cleaner now. Anyway, special thanks to everybody that's coming to this upcoming workshop. If you want to come to a future one, please look below, billschwab.com, look under workshops and tours. You'll see things listed there. Also, get on my subscription list and you'll get email when there's new trips or new workshops offered. That's about it. Thanks special to Hahnemühle USA and Carol Boss at Hahnemühle for being a sponsor of mine. They're part of almost everything I do here at the workshop if we're working with alternative processes. And I highly recommend their paper, the Hahnemühle Platinum Rag paper, for just about all things alternative process. So with that, I thank you. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you haven't done so already, and stick around for the next video. I look forward to it, and I hope you have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.